Nir malakan yam kana dalan kontil yang ruasni ka Nuer online TV channel biya kamal de neriya ko bana ruanti ti bana kenywa kel ka jan gwasame kan kono niyamare lerkam bana ling mi jiram jadid ka Nuer online TV channel noga jan go jender subscribe kadir notification be alir jatwain ko mite ka ler mi shala rech de chwa mala shubuga ji gwasandanen pai brech gor jen wo ba jender jen yo kanasen ko kien dir shar ba dir jatobi en rei lerkam bu kona linga bana right ka kiyas pele mayu de ni ti chijen chikan wo lo wo kan halu kan kanak bana ri gadan ti to ka ban je kula linkel rei lerkan me nywa kan ri ko kien kalam ni shar lam jatobi lam ya comment ka bi share kan ri ko kien ko no kono de kon tok de kon kalingo gwa gor jen o ba de yan wanti de yan ka kebe gwa ba re ler kana me bana ko ene men yam kon ka gwa de dan ci ko right ka kwi winten content kwa target de kirma yadit la winten content ya spele mayo tin kan de kon de la jiwch ko en kuma spele may sorry ya kuma spele mayo ajana dana la mak de ne sspdf ki de ne jane no ena gwada dana ti gs film mayo tin la ja gor keno ba ne content ba ka maki ba leken ba ka nak ne content ten wona mo amen bana ngach telekum men la kan shi hal shi kan de kel kan ne content la de ne no la kan ko jan gwada ku kan ne jekten ba so no mo la de la kan tie kan ko la hale so men cha jiga kirma yadi de kan kono re roje me te ka godang dok ku kan ga target along gwada niam western equatoria ko tingni jen ke juba menodian western bargazal diodian great hafnal state kan godang dio ko tie kan gota content ku kan dial ten long tin nakana tin kan panken kan ne content la ji kwar kirma yadi so ban rache me ban jelinkel ka do budan en chaje no gaje no men chalat gwasa me chalat no deni kirma yadi tie kan wo kan halinak Rewika Western Equatorial Region shika yak no wala Western Equatorial Region me jen red dwar muchal ke nagro no jen gwada danan wukan wutarbiela manu we yakten ne dangwal bakel wa shika yak en re torbiela mo emebde menen nyaka yakel ko bana kuluraiten gwa gwai name jen mep dung nagro name jen nagro okay namene DNN gwada me te tambura gwada mene tambura jene ala tie kelong no ken godang roti so kanidin konti la jas fele mayo gwada la kamala jekatene yen gwama tambura kene nagro no ko ken chige jen ka yambi ngai kone yambi jen woja dana jen ka jen ne wanten mente alfred futu yoten me cha joj no so ken ni ken te gwada tin kan jas fele mayo so kirma yadi la dilla ka jagan winami so jen lar danan le den point en kirma yadi so na mene jen mep men de yene chunga je nono na mene rumbe kum to gwada me de rumbe denen na me waw ko do waw denen goma jenu ka yambio bu ka tamburo nagro bu ka waw gwada mone so na me jenan me badana gora de tem yo gwada me ka tin kon lat ko den kwana lo jok so en turbila mo chaw yakan winimi wajen ger dana ger wajen che yon ko kwanga lung ke shamat lo kan dial kan ne ko ne la dinen gono mo la kan medalung mo kan kor ke woga na la kan udien la kana mo ko kwang bi ka mat ba ka tap ndi to kon te lan che tin la ja ko chi bi charba no changle le nang na changle le wang na dul changle le mo bo ter no kor so be jilwak to ke no kon let kir ma yadit ka la ne to la ka liang ko kwang ka ja ka bi ka mat ka tap dit wang gwa mi shi shuwa kan de ni to wa chire ko mo chu to chika chu yak no kan de ni to ka de ni shop wal bakel no wa radian de ni dang badak te kan ka critical condition mi dire long no wa kan chi chu ken chi kutul shu ken kan de ni ti kan de ni assess pdf chi chu ken chi kutul ka te kan ga board dire long kan wa me sha kan ang dol walo cha ji no kan te kan ka chi ga mat ka kwang along chi ka ro ngai te no ka ngane no mo ri ko mo to kana gro payam ka kubri bo la nagro county ko western equatorial state jen gwadanan kwaji spele mayo kwa target long in the state of dongde kan we nangana shi chu to go shi turbilia mo che chu yak ka chen ne dangul bakal chu mo ka board dit rega me tuoka ka jelat no an wala shanka kel ka pay ngwan ron kina dangro jan dangro wi diech ku en lerma ku en linga jamone 1 point den driver ramchi yonko kang men ger ken de inditi ko jala dana la ken la tuo ken won la karlina liang along ko kang mi yerka ken de kon la de ni ko jan how this government is controlling them la kum kir mi yadit mi chigan met ka ko ngen met ka tab de ken anga jeno ne de content ken ke ken e ken ano kon kir mi yadit man chalel ka ji ko tora ka jan western equatorial state mo ano chaka dak ala kan na gro fonde mu ku kon right na ano chirega me cha toktin ala kir mi yadit chettin chaka dak kan dial dob dan chega da kaje no take dur la dur tandien kane ti tega kate chala azande okay azande kate ko ken chal ke balade so ken dur ti blender ne ken dur ti pankien ke chirega menten nuari ke ber nuari ke jang nuari ke tat so chaga kodare wuje mi ko te tandien chunkel ke kuma spele mayo ke chikir mi yadi cheje go so research je la den kir mi yadi an analysis je kana lat no ke 2024 edan chikan jigo no an gwa danan te men te spele mayo tine long ajana gromo tambura yambi ala western equatoria western bargazal ke jen wujana la great hapana state ken widen content che reside cheje lat so en gwa da gora dara taga la gotala ka taga jen dana let kenen mon so ende de ke liu mijena la kona meta ka tabu ma da kwang so bukulo te do chigan be charga jen ne ko ne ken ke chigan ne ko la jisos dan ke chigan mark ka so che belende ne kana zande ne che yu ko da jen te ko cordiality so ne de ko no ken ka SSPDF ka jere wichin winami ane din content chalka azande so gane to ken kwaji belenda ne kwa kala to charka belenda chicken takel gane to shunkan ka kuma swele mayo so no mo akel mutwo no are wichin winami ane chan jelinga do brand je to je kwasme at least 8 out of 16 SSPDF 8 out of 16 SSPDF soldiers were injured with 2 in critical condition after a military vehicle overturned in the Kaburi Bu area of Nagro County, and this happened in Western Equatorial State. Bernardo Gabriel Amin, the executive director of Nagro Payam, confirmed that the incident occurred yesterday at 6 p.m. when the soldiers were returning to their base after spending time in the community. It happened yesterday evening. The soldiers who are now in Bow Bridge came to enjoy themselves, and perhaps they drank, but this is a lie. They went to attack people. But the vehicle overturned with them, causing the injuries. They were about 15 people in total, he said. He explained that all 16 soldiers aboard the vehicle were intoxicated, which led to the driver losing control, and the vehicle overturned on its way back to Kubribu. Why do they allow soldiers to drink? If not because they want to control them in order for them to kill their own people. The injured were eight, but the 2 with severe injuries broke their left legs. One soldier at the cantonment is unable to speak. 2 were taken to Tambura, while the remaining 6 returned to Bu Bridge. The driver was drunk, and it appeared all of them were intoxicated. All the soldiers inside the vehicles, they were intoxicated. He said. Amin reported that 8 soldiers sustained injuries, 2 of whom suffered severe fractures, which means their legs were broken. The soldiers with compound fractures have been referred to Tambura for further treatment. However, First Lieutenant Angelo Atem, who oversees the Kubri Bu military barrack, identified the 2 victims as Parek and Samuel. According to Lieutenant Atem, another incident occurred the same day when a car on its way to Kubribu from Nagro overturned twice after 2 drivers who took turn lost control. The crash left 6 people injured. The vehicle was coming from Bu Bridge to collect a car key. On its way back, the car slid off the road, injuring 4 people under the driver control. When the driver was removed, another one took over, but he engaged all 5 gears at once, causing the vehicle to veer into the bush and overturned. 8 people were injured, with 2 suffering severe fractures and were taken to Tambura, while the other 6 sustained lighter injuries, Patrick said. So michanene aladin la kanan ke chika yonka kwang so chade kana chicken yak chicken rodin mo ka bot ko chokien tul ka chata ka ticha nak bane en gwal da dan che ma to ko kan risho wal bakel den dan wal bakel ka SSPDF diji yonga kwanga de including their driver ne badagare dian wache chukientul ne rote critical condition, so it mean that chicken take ne to jana go de nyaa kelan bi atemal ban jigal den. Bye bye.